So this is a Nissan Rogue. It's a 2015 model. So the standard way on how you can take out a bumper, you just need to take off some of this. So you need a screw, a T15 screw. For this one over here, you need a regular screw, and then you need to take off some clips like that one over there. There might be some underneath the car. Yeah, so for this one, for example, we need plastic bumper clip to take it off with. What you need would be this is a bumper clip set, and then you have a socket set. So the links will be in the description for these two. So you need and this is the T15 for that one screw that's different. So this is a bit tight, so my ratchet I was not able to get my ratchet here with my hand, so I just used just a bolt, and good thing it's not tight, too tight. So that's how I was able to take that off. So we have this one off, we have this one off, and then we have this one. So we'll try and see if just try and detach this from the bumper, and then try and see if it's gonna come off, or if we need to take off these clips or this one clip inside here. So next would be taking off the clips underneath the car. For those ones, we'll use this or this one over here. So these come with the bumper clip set. So these ones will just take it off without breaking them, because if you do, then you need to have this set ready so you can be able to have some clips that you can replace them with. So you have these clips that you need to pull out gently. So they have 1, 2, and 3, and then you need to take off this bolt over here, so you can be able to separate the bumper cover from this bumper flap or fender flap. And with that, then I think now we can start pushing or pulling it out.